Let's take a look at job analysis observations. Direct observations is especially useful when jobs consist of observable physical activity. However, it's usually not appropriate when the job entails a lot of mental activity, like lawyers or design engineers, nor is it useful if the employee only occasionally engages in important activities, such as a nurse who handles emergencies. Reactively, the worker's changing to what he or she normally does because you're watching is another problem. Managers often use direct observation and interviewing together. One approach is to observe the worker on the job during a complete work cycle. Here, you take notes of all the job activities. Then, ask the person to clarify open points and explain what other activities they perform.